Everybody, first of all, at first take my salam. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are doing great. I am Abdul Maqsudur Rahman. You can call me Maqsud. I am from Cumilla. Currently I reside in Sharapara in Dhaka. I would like to talk about my hometown. I already talked. My hometown name is Cumilla. First of all, Cumilla is a very famous and beautiful district in Bangladesh. It located from Chittagong division. It has historical many places and many other richest person and many who dislike for Shalbon Bihar and Bodh Bihar and many museum and many other famous historical places in Cumilla. Many schools, colleges and universities and very famous actors. Cumilla universities. Cumilla was the most famous and traditional for its Rashmalai. Then this the famous in Bangladesh and in other countries. Proud of my hometown and thank you for listening to me. Thank you everyone.